Hi, everyone. So, section 2 is about Alexander Hamilton and how successful he was at getting our country out of debt and some policies that were put into place by Hamilton and Washington, and the opposition to Hamilton, which was Thomas Jefferson. So, the main ideas are that Hamilton tackled the problem of settling national and state debt. Thomas Jefferson opposed his views on government and the economy, and Hamilton created a national bank to help strengthen our economy. Your key terms and people are there. So, settling the debt. Alexander Hamilton wanted to pay off the national debt. He figured that the United States owed $11.7 million to foreign countries. The nation also owed about $40.4 million to U.S. citizens. During the Revolutionary War, the government sold bonds to raise money. Officials said that bonds would be repurchased at a higher price. Some bondholders sold their bonds to speculators. Hamilton and Thomas Jefferson disagreed on what to do. More politicians agreed with Hamilton, though. The government replaced the old bonds with new, more reliable ones. Hamilton thought that the federal government should repay $21.5 million of the state's debts, but Southern leaders objected. Their states had relatively low debts. Hamilton arranged to have the U.S. Capitol's location change from New York to Philadelphia and then finally to Washington, D.C. Southern leaders then supported his plan. Jefferson opposes Hamilton. Hamilton and Jefferson disagreed about the role of the central government. Hamilton wanted a strong federal government. Jefferson wanted strong powers for the states. Hamilton did not want people to have much power because he had little faith in the average person. Jefferson believed that the people had the right to rule the country. Hamilton backed manufacturing, business, and higher tariffs. Jefferson backed farming and lower tariffs. So now we have a national debate. In 1791, Hamilton and Jefferson disagreed about the government's economic problems. Hamilton wanted a national bank so that the government could safely deposit money. Jefferson believed that Hamilton's plan gave too much power to the federal government. Hamilton supported loose construction of the Constitution. Jefferson, however, backed strict construction. Washington and Congress wanted the Bank of the United States. It helped make the U.S. economy more stable. So that's just a brief review of the facts from this section. I'm not asking you to read the section. This will do for our purposes.